Fifth and the most common mistake I see in a lot of Google ad account is a irrelevant landing page. What do I mean by irrelevant landing page? Let's say you have created an ad which is promoting a Nike shoes, and then if somebody clicks on that ad, they're supposed to be land up on a particular section which is a shoe. If the user landed on a, let's say, on a t-shirt landing page, what is doing is it making user to see, okay, I click on a shoes ad, how come I land up on a t-shirt landing page? So that thing can create a little bit miscommunication with user and your copy. So you have to make sure whatever service or product or you are trying to advertise, make sure your ad has to be land up on that particular page or service. Having a relevant landing page for your Google ad can give you a good quality score, and you can pay less for your click, and Google have a more seamless experience while clicking your ad, rather than if you have an irrelevant page, your quality score will go down and your ad click and cost or acquiring a customer will go up, because people are clicking on your ad and then landing up in a wrong landing page and then bouncing back very quickly. So it is a very, very important thing to notice that if all of your Google ads are going on a particular or the dedicated landing page for that product or service. So by having all this, avoiding these 5 mistakes can give you a lot of boost while you are running your Google ad, or if you are running from a Google ad agency or anywhere from there, you can check up these 5 points, like if you have a right conversion action, if they haven't apply or they have apply auto apply recommendation. So you can check up, you can ask them, or if any Google representative is giving you some sort of recommendation, you don't just blindly follow them, just ask them why you are asking me this one, or why how can this one help me. But most of the cases or most case scenario, I highly recommend not apply any sort of auto recommendation, just watch it manually or set up a schedule for that. And third is add in negative keywords, whatever the keyword you are not serving or what sort of service you are not serving, add them as a negative keyword. It will save your budget and you will have a more budget to spend in a right way. The fourth one is a test a multiple ad copy in particular ad groups. Like if you have a one ad group, test at least 2 ad copy to find out what sort of ad copy is working or what sort of ad copy is not working. And then fifth and last one, as we discussed, is don't go for irrelevant landing page. Just make sure your ad is landing for a particular landing page, a right landing page. Avoiding this mistake can help you lot out. If you find a value out of this video, please like and share. If you have any comments or suggestion, please leave in a comment. Or if you want to see any other video or any other particular topic you want to see or you want me to explore more, just mention in a comment and I will try my best to get up in the next video. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.